I took Kenzie to the dentist earlier today, and ever since I got home, I've been getting some really weird vibes. The weird thing is, I thought somebody was following us. At first I thought I was being paranoid, but the same car kept staying 2 car distances behind me and seemed to be everywhere I went. And now, ever since I got home, I've been hearing weird noises. Some of the floorboards have been creaking upstairs and down here, and I've heard some weird scratching noises. I don't know. Sometimes I think I'm just being overly paranoid with all this clown stuff going on all the time. I start thinking everyone I see could possibly be one of these people in a costume. And I just really get freaked out. And I don't know if somebody was really following me or not, but I'm recording this now, so this is down in case something happens. What's that noise? See, now I'm hearing something that sounds like a knock, but it's so faint that I'm not sure if I'm actually hearing it. I'm gonna go check anyway. You hear that? What the heck? Hello? Can I help you? This is really weird. Why would somebody be knocking on the back door? Hello? It's really late at night. Can I help you? I have kids that shouldn't be being bothered at this time. They're getting ready for bed. What the heck? That's weird. This person just knocked and then just walked away, and they never showed me their face. Are they still out there? I can't see them. Okay. Right now I'm not sure what's going on. My phone's ringing. Okay. Now I'm getting a phone call. It's from Mary, my neighbor. I wonder if she saw that person out there. Oh, I can't get it to answer. Hello? Mary? Mary? Hello? Did you see that person by my house? What the heck? Mary's calling again. She just hung up. Hello, Mary? Is there something wrong? Mary, are you there? Mary. Mary, I'm having a weird person knocking on my back door. Is everything okay with you? What the heck? Okay. What the heck? Is that Mary? Mary? There's no one there. Okay, that's weird. Mary wouldn't do that. This is really starting to freak me out. Mary wouldn't... What the heck? What the heck? I think that's that person again. They're standing by this window. What the heck is going on? I hope they didn't do anything to Mary. That's really weird that call came from her number and they keep knocking on my door, but she didn't talk to me at all. I'm not liking this. What the heck? My phone's ringing again. I'm getting... What the heck? There's knocking and my phone's ringing. It's Mary. Hello, Mary? Mary! Mary, what's going on? I'm really getting scared. There's some weird person knocking at... What the heck? She hung up again. Oh my God. What is going on? They're still there. What the heck? I'm gonna try to see if I can see their face. That doesn't look like Mary's hair. They're moving. What the heck? I don't know if that's Mary calling me in distress. If there was something wrong, she should call the police, not me. What the heck? Who is this? This has to be related to those weird phone calls from Mary. She's calling again. Mary's calling again. Hello, Mary. What is wrong? Hello? My voice is echoing. Mary? Hello? Mary, do you need help? Is there something wrong? I'm really getting worried, Mary. What the heck? Okay. There's something really weird going on. I don't know if I should answer that. And the knock's coming at the door too. Hello? It's FaceTime this time. Hello, Mary? That sounds like the door. What the heck? They have Mary's phone. What the heck? Hello? Hello? This isn't good. What the heck? Oh my God, they're videotaping me. You see that? You can see me. What the heck? They're out there and they have Mary's phone. This is weird, you guys. They're calling again from right outside the door. Hello? 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 I know you're right behind me. I know you're at the door, and I know you have my neighbor's phone. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you did with Mary. Where's Mary? What the heck? What the heck? They're still on the phone. I'm not letting you in. Tell me where Mary is. What the heck? You see that face? Who are you? And what have you done with Mary? Who are you? I can't even go out to check on her because I'm afraid I'll be next. Guys, this is weird. I don't like this. You guys, would you answer the door for somebody like this who has your... Just standing there, being very weird. I'm thinking maybe I should sneak out the back door and go and check on Mary. He's at the front door. He, she, whoever they are. I think I could get away with sneaking out the back door. Somebody needs to check on Mary. When that person went around the side of the house, I called the police and they showed up and they checked everywhere, but they couldn't find them. And with the police with me, I went to my neighbor's house and I didn't record it because I thought that would be an invasion of privacy. And I went with the police and checked on Mary and she was fine in her home. And I told her what happened and she went and checked and her phone is missing, but she has no idea when it went missing. For now, we're all okay. That creepy person is gone. I'm not sure if it's one of the clowns dressed up in a wig or something else. I didn't see a clown mask, but Mary's fine. And the police have been going back and forth just watching the area for now, but they couldn't find whoever that was. So hopefully they don't come back.